Configuring SeeBlock to work with network libraries. Click this icon to launch SeeBlock. When you install SeeBlock, its default setup is for standalone user. So it starts by reading sample libraries whose database is addressed in the local folder c:\/SeeBlock. And you are allowed, by default, to create and modify libraries in this database address. Let's take a look. Select a block icon. Or select a block name. When you select a block, you can see the data path here. Note that the selected block is in a local folder. The libraries created using this current configuration will be for the sole use of the computer user. These libraries cannot be shared to other users in a network environment. This is okay for individual use. If you are a standalone user, you can choose to use SeeBlock in this way, by adding your own libraries without further adjustments. However, if you are working in a network environment and want to create libraries that can be shared with other users, you need to change SeeBlock configuration before you start cataloging your blocks. Now we are going to set up SeeBlock in order to achieve the conditions to create shared libraries. Step 1. Setting a shared folder. Begin by selecting Options. The Options window allows you to verify the current configuration and make changes in settings and preferences. Here you can check out your user access level on the current database. Your current user status is Manager, so you are allowed to create and modify libraries in this database. Notice that user access level control is set separately on each database address. So users can have their status changed when switching from one database to another address. Here you can check out the current working mode. You are in standalone mode. And here you can check out the current database address. Let's change the local database address, choosing a network folder instead. Begin by selecting Network Mode. Then you must choose a shared folder to be the host of the new database that will be created. Click here to select a shared folder. Enter the server name in which you want to choose the shared folder. Use this window to navigate to your folder. Please note these important requirements. 1. You must choose a network folder, not a local folder. 2. Manager users must have right system permissions on the chosen folder. In this example we have selected a folder named server_01. Now you have to deal with another question. Since this is a new address for the database, we do not have the required user status to create libraries. At this time you are an end user. In order to create or make changes in libraries, you must change your user status to Manager. Click to close. Here you can see that the new database address is OK. And here you can see your user status at the current database address. This must be changed. Let's solve this. Step 2. Setting user access level, user status. Click here to change your user status. Enter the password that allows you to change user access level. In this window, you can either manage status for a group of users by editing a list, or you can just set the status of the current user. Click this button to change your current access level. Done. You got the required status. Click Apply and Close to confirm this setup and exit the Options window. Check up your setup and click OK. Since you have set up a new address for start creating a database, SeeBlock shows this alert. You can click here to go to Options and make changes, or click here to confirm. Now SeeBlock main window is open and ready to start cataloging network libraries. Thank you for watching our movie.